Okay, we have our head here that we've been working on. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our block here and we're going to glue our block in for the neck. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. Got any questions or comments, put in my comment section. I'll get back with you.
Because it's from HelloFresh. Your taste buds have been phoning you up going, hello, we're tired of the restaurants you go to. We're tired of the food you're making. How about just shaking things up? Try HelloFresh. Give it a shot. They've got a great offer to make you try it. I'll tell you about it in just a second. HelloFresh is all about quality ingredients. It's about getting those ingredients to you that are fresh, and it's about having you have more time for yourself. Every week, more than 40 chef-curated, foolproof recipes. They've done the measuring. They've also done the shopping. So a lot less stress for you. You open up the box.
So we'll glue this in, clamp it down, and then I'm going to let it set for a day, and then we can start to shape down our neck.
HelloFresh sends you 11 ingredients. Put those together in 6 easy steps. In just over a half hour, you're enjoying this delicious, colorful, hearty pasta dish that you made at home with help from HelloFresh.
Sign up today for a staggering 50% off, plus your first box ships for free if you use the code BTShow50, like Bob Tom Show 50. BTShow50 at HelloFresh.com/BTShow50. They've done the shopping. They've done the measuring. Like I said, these new quick and easy ones are obviously.
You're gonna make sure you got it centered where you want it.
For date night, by the way, Josh. Great for working with the kids, showing them how to cook. BTShow50, HelloFresh.com/BTShow50. Coming up, why you should not turn your charcoal grill into one of the rooms in your house to heat the place. A great story about the Wienermobile and a bizarre story with the Dalai Lama. You'll see why this is weird. But when we come back, this is the Bob and Tom Show.
So we'll let this set up and dry, and then we'll come back and we can start shaping it. Thanks for watching.